Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. Today, I'll be showing you how to make the fluffiest scrambled eggs ever. Showing you my tips and tricks. To the eggs, I'll add 1 tablespoon of water, and that's the trick. Cold water, that is. And she likes hers with a little onion powder. This is optional. Okay. She likes to add the salt and the pepper later, so I won't add it. You mix this together, right? And that's all the water you will need. And that's the secret to my fluffy eggs. So let's go over to the stovetop. Guys, if you're new to the channel, welcome. And don't forget to subscribe. It's absolutely free. Hit the bell for your notifications. All right, so let's get started. And if there's a recipe that you guys would like for me to make, let me know. Leave it in the comment section and I will definitely make it for you. My pan is on medium heat. I will add some ghee. You can add regular butter. I like to use ghee. So don't really need a lot. That's perfectly fine. That's all that I use. And I will add my eggs. And then once you add your eggs, just start right away getting everything together just like this. Look at that. It's already looking so fluffy. That's it. See how fluffy those eggs look? Look at that. Okay? We are done. Let's plate this out like this. Fluffy eggs look so good. Simple and easy to make. Make it for your family. That's my little secret to the fluffiest eggs ever. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is free. I'll see you guys next time in another video. And say it with me. Stay healthy.